This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Keeping drivers updated prevents crashes and improves performance on Windows 11. Do this regularly to maintain stability and avoid security issues. Windows 11 version 22H2 and later enforces driver signing for safety. Signed drivers reduce risk of malicious or unstable packages on your PC. Updated drivers often fix graphics, audio, network, and peripheral glitches you might see. Plan to update drivers when you install major updates or after adding new hardware to the system. Start with Windows Update for the simplest, safest driver delivery method. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, then choose Optional Updates and Driver Updates. If Windows Update lacks a driver, open Device Manager to locate the device and update driver. Select Browse My Computer and use the manufacturer's driver files if needed. Always download driver installers only from official vendor sites to avoid tampered packages. Create a restore point before installing drivers so you can revert if issues appear. First, check Windows Update, Settings, Windows Update, Optional Updates, Driver Updates. If a driver appears, select it and install, then reboot the PC as prompted. If no update appears, open Device Manager and find the hardware by name. Right-click the device, choose Update Driver, then select Browse My Computer for drivers. Download the vendor, exe or zip from the official site when necessary. If you get a zip, extract the inf and folders. Then point Device Manager to that folder to install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.